Now what is this? What is this histogram? It's a bar graph which are attached. Okay. See here, there is a difference between histogram and a bar chart. In histogram, all of them are attached. Bar chart, they are separate. Okay. The histogram representing the marks obtained by 60 students in a science exam. Means this is a histogram. It shows marks obtained in science exam. Answer the questions from 4 to 6. Okay. Quite easy ones. What is the total number of students who obtained more than or equal to 70 marks in the exam? See here, 70. So here 70 or more. So this is a 70 mark. Don't take this top level. 70 starts from here. So count from this histogram. Okay. So that is 11. Then next is what? 8. And then next is what? 3. Right? 11 plus 8 plus 3. Okay. If minimum marks for passing was 50, how many of the students failed? See this, minimum 50 is over here. So go back. So this line it goes up to 7 and this line it goes up to 2. So that is 7 plus 2, that is 9 students fail. How many students were awarded merit if minimum marks required for it is 80? So go ahead of 80 now. 80 is over here. This is 80. So count this line. That is what? 8. And count this line. That is what? 3. Right? So 8 plus 3, 11. 11 students got merit. Okay? Quite easy. Histograms are very easy. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos from Play Store to get these videos, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. I guarantee you. That is useful for you throughout your life. For any competitive exam. Tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.